In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving integration for JAMB Maths. Integration is one of the topics in calculus. So in this particular video, we are going to practice with repeated questions in this topic for JAMB Maths. So let's get started with the first one I have here. The first one here says evaluate the definite integral of the function. Now, let's begin to solve this question. The good thing about this topic is that most of the questions from it come from definite integration. There are two types of integration. You have definite and indefinite. Definite integrals are usually straightforward, and that's the type they usually set for you guys. Alright, so that's an advantage. So let's solve this. Okay, so this is a question. How you identify definite integral is that they have upper and lower limits. All right, like here the upper limit is 2, the lower limit is 1. So we have the function 6x squared, okay, minus 2x dx. This dx stands for function. Now let's integrate this. To integrate what we have in the bracket, we have it will be 6x squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1. Now the idea behind integration is to increase the power of x by 1. So what you do for the power of x at the numerator, you bring it down as a denominator. Okay, so we have this, then minus 2x 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. So this will give us, this is the same thing as, let me write it here, 6x cubed over 3 minus 2x squared over 2. This cancels a 1, this cancels a, give it 2. It's a 1, it's a 1. So we are left with 2s cubed minus x squared. Alright, so at this juncture, what we're going to do now is to plug in the upper limit in this expression we have here. Whatever you have, right, you keep it. Then you also plug in the lower limit, which is 1, in the expression as well. Whatever you have, you keep it. So at the end of everything, then subtract the output of the lower limit from the upper limit. Let's experiment it so you guys will understand it better. Let's begin with the upper limit. It's going to give us 2, okay, 2 cubed minus 2 square. So 2 cubed will give you 8. 8 times 2, we have 16. Okay, minus 4, which give us what? 12. So the upper limit output is 12. Let's check the lower limit. Lower limit, this will give us the same procedure. We have 2, 1 cubed minus 1 square. So 1 cube is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, 1 square is 1. So we have 2 minus 1, which will give us what? 1. So finally our result will be subtract the output of the lower limit from the upper limit. This will give you 12 minus 1, which will give us what? 11. So the correct answer to this question is what? 11, which is option B. It's as simple as this. Let's write this now, solve the next repeated question. It says evaluate the definite integral of this expression we have here. So let's write the question. The question, we have it to be definite integral. Okay, the function is x squared minus 1 dx. Alright, so upper limit is 3, lower limit is 1. So let's integrate what we have in the brackets. We integrate, we're going to have x squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1 minus. Now note that when you integrate a constant, you're going to have x attached to it. So we have 1 as a constant here. So 1 times x is something as x. So we're going to have minus x. Okay, that's all. A constant like 5, it will give you 5x. Constant like 2, it will give you 2x. Okay, so in maths, a constant can be defined as a value that does not have a variable attached to it. Alright, this is one of the ways you can define a constant in maths. Okay, So we have this minus x, this same thing as x cubed over 3 minus x. So let's now plug in the value of the upper limit to simplify. When you do this, you're going to have the upper limit is 3. This is something as 3 cubed over 3, okay, minus 3. So 3 cubed is something as 27 over 3 minus 3. This you cancel this will have 9. Okay, so 9 minus 3, we have it to be 6. Then when you plug in the lower limit, which is 1, this will give you 1 cubed over 3 minus 1. So this is same thing as 1 over 3 minus 1 over 1. So the LCM is 3. 3 into 3 is 1. 1 times 1, we have 1 minus 1 into 3 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So we have minus 2 over 3. So at this juncture, subtract the output of the lower limit from the upper limit. So when you do this, you're going to have, so this will give us 6 minus, remember, we have minus again, 6 minus 2 over 3. Okay, so minus times minus will give you plus. This is something as 6 plus 2 over 3. Find the LCM. LCM is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. 6 times 3 we have 18 plus 3 into 3 is 1. 1 times 2 we have 2. So this will give us 20 over 3. So 20 into 3, this will give us seesaw number 2 over 3. 6 times 3 is 80 plus 2 is 20. That's 20 over 3. The correct option this question is on option A, seesaw number 2 over 3. That would be the answer. So it's as simple as this. Let's wipe this and solve the next repeated question. Alright guys, so the next repeated question will be this question. So we're asked to integrate this indefinite integral. Now guys, before you solve this question, if you are new to our channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of our videos. Really appreciate this guys. Alright, so having done that, let's go ahead and solve this question. Okay, so this one is not indefinite, does not have upper and lower limits. So to integrate, we have to integrate in brackets 4x minus 3 minus 7 x squared plus 5x minus 6, alright, dx. Now when you integrate 4x to the power minus 3, we are going to have 4x minus 3 plus 1 over minus 3 plus 1. Okay, then we have minus, when you integrate 7x squared, we're going to have 7x squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1. When you integrate 5x, you're going to have plus 5x 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. When you integrate a constant, we have minus, you're going to have minus 6x. Alright, so let's break this down. This is same thing as 4x minus 3 plus 1 will give you minus 2 over minus 3 plus 1 will give you minus 2, okay, minus 7x. Now 2 plus 1, that's 3 over 3, then plus 5x squared over 2 minus 6x. Okay, so this will cancel itself, cancel this, so we're going to have minus 2 now at the numerator. So our final expression for this solution will give us minus 2x to the power minus 2, okay, minus 7x cubed over 3 plus 5x squared over 2 minus 6x. So we are meant to have a constant attached to it because indefinite integral questions usually have a constant attached to them. So let's use plus c in this case, plus c. Okay, and that will be the answer to this question. So when you check, I think the correct option would be option A. All right, yeah, option A, though they did not include plus c. So the correct option is option A. It's as simple as this. So that's it for this question. Let's wipe this now and solve the last repeated question before we call it a class. So guys, the last repeated question I'm going to solve will be this question. It says the value of this definite integral function is what? So we have upper and lower limit in this question. Okay, so this is going to give us, we have this 1 0 lower limit in brackets, we have x squared minus 2x dx. Okay, so when you integrate what we have in the bracket, we're going to have x squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1 minus 2x 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. Okay, so this is something as x cubed over 3 minus 2x squared over 2. So this will cancel itself, so we are left with x cubed. Okay, let me write it way. Okay, cube over 3 minus x squared. So let's plug in the value of the upper limits to simplify. When you plug in, you're going to have 1 cube over 3 minus 1 square. So this same thing as 1 over 3 minus 1. Find the LCM. So the LCM is 3. 3 into 3, 1. 1 times 1 give you 1 minus 1 into 3 is 3. 3 times 1 give you 3. So 1 minus 3, we have the output to give us minus 2 over 3. So that's it for the upper limit. Now let's plug in the value of the lower limit. So it's going to give us 0 cubed over 3, alright, minus 0 square. Okay, so this will give us 0 over 3 minus 0. Alright, so if we keep simplifying this, 0 over 3 is something as 0. When you punch it in the calculator, 0 over 3 is something as 0. When 0 divides to that, 0 over 2 is still give you 0. 0 over 3 is 0. So the general output here give you 0. The last thing we are going to do now is to subtract the output of the lower limit from the output of the upper limit. So this will give you minus 2 over 3 minus 0, which will still give you minus 2 over 3. So the correct option in this question is option B. Alright, minus 2 over 3 is as simple as this. This is basically how you can solve problems involving integration for your JAMB Maths. So we practice with repeated questions. Let's go to the video, guys. Hope you learned something interesting. If you are new to our channel, once more ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of my videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you have learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I have talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Alright, now click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.